Hi everybody, I'm Brian with CTR WoodCraft and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do an unboxing video. I just purchased a vinyl cutter from US Cutter, model MH365. It's a 14-inch desktop cutter, so it's a relatively small one. And you may ask, why do you as a cabinet maker and fine woodworker need a vinyl cutter? Well, I find that in some of the crafts and projects that I do, I like to sandblast or etch glass or mirror to enhance some of my gift items, and being able to make my own stencils would be a great help. Also, I can do decals, I can do t-shirts, promotional t-shirts for myself. There's just a plethora of things that I can include a vinyl cutter in the products that I make. So, let's start the unboxing. Okay, and here she is, the US Cutter. It is the model MH365 MK2. It's a 14-inch wide. It's a desktop model. Doesn't have a stand, and it's just small enough. And the price is right. It's small enough for what I'm going to be using at the initial onset of my projects. I don't need anything big. I don't need anything expensive right now. Hopefully that'll change. But I got a good price on this also. This was on. It's a refurbished one. They had two left, and I got one of them. Saved myself $44 off the list price. I've read a lot of good things about US Cutter, and I've read a few of their videos. So without further ado, my razor knife handy. Let's open this. Let's open it up. Now there's a sign, sticker on the box. It says original box and packaging required for warranty exchange. So I'm going to do the best I can to keep this usable. I hope I don't have to take it back. First thing, a little white envelope. Open that up and see what it is. Aha. Yes, I know what you're saying. I should have pulled the tab. But I didn't. And I opened it up just the same. We have my product key. This is the packing list. I bought the refurbished US Cutter. And I get my glasses for this. Okay, Future Corporation Vinyl Master CD, and that's it. I should have in this. I should have a pack of 3 cutters that come with the set. 3 knives. What else do I have in here? Nothing. There's nothing else. Okay. Now the meat and potatoes part. Oh, baby. A box and a box. You gotta love it. Okay. There's nothing else in this box. It was just a box. Here's another box. Let's unbox this box. Accessory box. Okay. We have a connection cord, a serial cord. I'll open the instructions and see how this works. I have a blue cord. This looks like yes it is, a USB cord. They do say you can plug it in either way. And I have the power cord. These two little cool items. Oh, I'm not moving the camera, so. Here are 3 blades it comes with. 30 degree, 45 degree, and 60 degree. And can you see that? I have the blade holder. Blades will go in here. I'm sure I'll find in the instructions how to do that. And this is a pen. This is kind of cool. It'll go in the blade holder, and I will be able to use this to draw my designs from my computer onto the plotter. I won't be able to cut them, but I'll be able to draw them. I don't know what good that's going to do for me right now, but it's good to have and not need than to need and not have. So, okay, let's throw these things back right here so we don't reuse them. And I'm going to put my key and my instructions or paperwork in there. Now, the unit itself. Got anything hanging out the sides? Anything hanging out the sides? What does that look like? Gotta save that. And we have to save this. Wow. I'm impressed. I did a lot of research and a number of different cutters, including the very popular Cricut, the Silhouette, and a couple other ones that I forget the names, so they couldn't have been very important. And I settled on this one because it seems to do mainly what I want it to do. Simple. I call them simple, but they're probably not going to be. What I do like about it is that I can make it my own designs. I can hook up to my computer. I don't have to go on the internet. I don't have to go in the cloud. I don't have to pay for any subscriptions. I can make what I want and cut it right here. And it sounded like a real good deal, so I'm hoping it will be. Here's the carriage. Let's turn it around really quick. This is the front side where you load in material. These are the pinch rollers. And before I go mess around with them, I should read the instructions, which I'm assuming are on the CD. Okay, let's take a little closer look at this. See, on this side we have, here's a power outlet, on and off button. It has a fuse. So the other side we have the USB port and computer connecting cord or port for the computer. So also I took a quick look at this, and these carriages move back and forth, and to hold them down, that's in the pinch position. These are the pinch rollers to hold your material in and help guide the vinyl through. There's a lot I have to learn about this, obviously, and I noticed that I don't have a manual, any instructions whatsoever. Also, the CD is not, or a CD is not in this package, so I'm going to give them a call tomorrow, and seeing it's too late to call them now, and get the lowdown on what I'm supposed to be, what I can do here, how I can get started. Anyways, so there's the unboxing of the US cutter, 14 inch, MK, MH, whatever it is. And there you go. I'll be back with more when I get more information and share with you my thoughts on this cool little cutter. Hopefully we'll be able to do a little project and we'll show you how it works. Thanks folks. Talk to you later. Bye.